So I'm gonna show you something. These are my injectors, all 5 of them. Okay, 5 injectors, and basically what I got for this thing is I actually bought the Monark nozzles and heat shields, so I'll be rebuilding these fuel injectors. So this actually came straight from Germany, and it was pretty fast shipping. Maybe like it took them like 5 days. Came straight from Germany. Okay, so these bad boys right there, Monark nozzles. So that's what I'll be installing today. I'll be cleaning my fuel injectors too, and yeah. And these are actually original Bosch nozzle, so probably nobody probably like changed them before. So it's gonna be basically my turn to change these nozzles to the Monarch nozzles. Okay, so disassemble the first one. This is my old nozzle. So I'm gonna take this one, one of the newer ones, and put that one on. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but this is actually lubricated. They put like some diesel fuel on it, so that's pretty nice. You can see the diesel fuel floating right there. Okay, and they'll be ready afterwards.